So you can see here that I have a video footage right here. If I were to play around, you can see that this is a video footage of San Francisco. So if I were to go over here and add in an effect called Colorize, I can change the look and feel of this video in one go. So to do that, I'm just going to go to Visual Effects, and over here you can see that there is an option called Colorize. So if I were to click and drag the Colorize over here on the video, you can see that it immediately turns green. Of course, I can also go over here onto the track and then apply it, drag the effect right over here. You cannot apply more than one Colorize effect right here. You can choose the range on where the Colorize appears as well by choosing the handle right here. So over here, the default color which is applied is green. That's why the video looks greenish. So I can go over here and let's say, for example, choose something like red. So I'm just going to not black, but I'm going to choose something like red right here. So the video looks reddish. So it looks much more warm. So now I can go around and choose the amount. So you can see that there's no effect applied because I brought in the amount to 0. So I can go around, increase the amount, and you can see that the video starts looking reddish. I can also go over here and make it a bit more yellow to give it a more warm tone as well. So just going to change around, change the tone just like that. I can also make it blue to make it a bit cool just like that. Of course, I can use the A's in and A's out effect as well. So if I were to add in 3.8 seconds, you can see that it starts out normal, but as it progresses out, it becomes more blue over time, just like that. So over here, you can see that it is yellowish, but if I were to bring it down, you can see that it is bluish now. So I can go around, let's say around 0.2 seconds. So you can see that it starts like this, play around, and it immediately turns into blue just like that. And that is how you can apply the Colorize Visual Effect inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.